Aloha family, got another one for y'all, a little surprise. Drove out 2.5 hours to get this. Here you go. Got ourselves a 1997 Stratos, 15.5 foot, full trailer restoration. Needs to be repainted, needs new bunks, needs a new gel coat, need a lower unit on this engine, carbs taken off and cleaned up, gas tank pulled out and emptied out. Got new tires today just to get it home. Probably gonna get new wheels just so that I can have 2 spares. Only soft spots in here, but overall perfect project boat, fully custom build. Here you go, it's coming.